his head. Place for the ears. Poke in at the side, rotate, in at the side, rotate around. Small pea-sized piece of fondant, finger over half. Take this tool, place it on the center, roll back and forth, pick this up. Or if you don't have this tool, you can use the back of a paintbrush. Little water inside. Pop that in, and the back of this to secure it. Okay, so I need some eyes. I like his face in that way. And then he needs some feathers coming up the back of his head, and he would have a little band around here. So use the black part there for the band. Kind of come around here. And then we'll do some colored feathers. Actually, there might only be room for one. I'm thinking the red will stand out. A small ball, again about, oh, it's bigger than a pea size. Take your finger over the entire thing this time, and now put it on the end. Get a little bit more pointy on the end, and then just kind of flatten it. Okay, so it's more pointy at the end. Then if I just kind of draw a line in the center, and then cut in at an angle for feathers. And I could place this over that royal icing. I think I might be able to get two on here. Yeah, I want the yellow one on there too. I think it's going to... Finger over all of it, then on the end, flatten it. You make sure that end stays kind of pointy. Toothpick over the center. Pick it up, turn it around, the small scissors, kind of overlapping a little at the back. Okay. No, he doesn't have a nose. I just realized that doesn't look so good. Let's see if I can get that off. Made it too clumpy. Can I redo that? Okay, let's see. Watch that arm coming down. We could add a little bit of brown at the top here for a little design on his little outfit, so it's just not so plain. And then he needs a tail, and I think he's about done. Kind of curl it around a little. You can use the toothpick to kind of push it in there.